right now I am in the process of making a template for this door. So all I'm going to do is just take my template, plastic, place it and outline it. There. I need to find something exactly that size for the circle to cut that out. So you want it smaller, not bigger, because you want to turn it back under. So I'm going to cut here. That's pretty much the exact size. So when I cut it, I'm going to cut it smaller. And then I can turn it under. To fit right here. I switched over to my erasable pen. These are just great with an iron. It just erases like magic. I'm going to go ahead, outline this, and when I cut it, I say like 1/8 of an inch. I'll give this a quick press so that the line completely disappears. I'm going to make little slashes all the way around, not too far, not more than 1/8 of an inch, so that I can turn this under. Applique the whole new door right on top. It's magic. Now on any applique turn, I go ahead and cut into it just a little bit so that I can make the curve. And I'm going to transfer it to this template plastic that you can iron. So I'm going to put it right here. You're going to need a fine point Sharpie. And another really helpful hint for circles is you can buy washers that you can put on a ring, and you can also buy the template that you can iron. So that's very helpful. I'm going to use my template scissors. I don't use these. My template against my exact pattern, and I think it looks just fine. Now I already did the circle in my top fabric, so I'm not really too concerned about this circle. So now what you're going to do is you're going to use some fabric finishing spray. Ellen's Best Press. We squirted some spray into a little bottle, let it settle down because it's kind of foamy and you don't want the foam. So with this type of applique, you need a couple of things. This is a ironing pad that I can iron on. I have the little jar that I've sprayed some of my fabric finishing spray. That works fine. A little brush. You're going to get your fabric wet because you are going to turn it over the template. You also need a little bitty iron. This iron is by Clover. It has a little point, which is fine. I have a couple of irons that are small. This one, the shaft gets really hot. You have to kind of watch that, and the tip, everything silver gets very, very hot, so you have to be very, very careful. But it will work just fine. Now, all you want to do, let me get my, start on this edge. Back it up a little bit just to get myself going. Straight edges are easy. I'm going to take my stiletto and I'm just going to flip my fabric over that template. I'm going to use any tool that I can see fit to help me accomplish that goal. The stiletto works very well. You need to hold your iron down a little bit, and you need to hold your template in place of where you want it to be. Kind of slipped a little bit. I have sliced it a little bit so it turns. I've been making things since I was 3. Creating is my happy place and my passion. My hope is that you feel inspired as a result of watching my videos and create something incredible. I would love to hear about it by leaving me a comment below and give the thumbs up for other interested viewers. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about creativity and inspiration. I hope you feel inspired to create something amazing. Feel free to share the inspiration because life is a journey we make together.